If the sun moved closer, Earth would become a blazing wasteland. Temperatures would rise to unbearable levels, melting ice caps instantly and drowning cities. Oceans would evaporate, turning the air thick with moisture, but eventually it would become unbreathable. The ozone layer would disintegrate, leaving everything exposed to deadly solar radiation. Sunburns would turn lethal, and DNA would mutate under the intense UV rays. Weather would become a nightmare. Hurricanes, tornadoes, and wildfires would rage non-stop. Crops would wither, animals would die, and food shortages would push humanity to the brink. Dehydration and heat stroke would claim lives long before starvation. If the sun got even closer, Earth's atmosphere could be stripped away entirely, leaving behind a barren wasteland like Mars or Venus. Without an atmosphere, the planet would swing between extreme heat and freezing cold, unable to support life. The surface would become so hot that rock would melt and water would vanish entirely, leaving a dry, scorched desert. Eventually, Earth could spiral into the sun's gravity, consumed in a final fiery destruction. Thankfully, the sun remains stable in its orbit, with no natural forces pulling it closer. But in about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, growing so massive that it may swallow Earth whole. For now, we're safe. But if the sun ever moved even slightly closer, life as we know it wouldn't just struggle, it would cease to exist entirely.